Hi everyone, I'm Cassidy from Cassidys Craveable Creations. Welcome back. If you love fall baking, pumpkin pie spice, and cupcakes, you're going to love these keto pumpkin cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. And with only 5 net carbs a cupcake, you don't even have to feel guilty. But before we move on, if keto recipes are your thing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. We'll start by whisking together all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. We have blanched almond flour, coconut flour, any keto granulated sweetener that you prefer, baking powder, baking soda, and sea salt. And I almost forgot the best part. We also have cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. Just whisk everything together, and if it seems lumpy, you can use your fingers to break it up or run it through a sifter. In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together the wet ingredients. We have avocado oil, pure pumpkin, be sure not to get pumpkin pie filling, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Then we'll crack in 4 large eggs and 1 large egg white. Then just whisk everything until it's nice and combined. Now all you need to do is stir the wet ingredients into the dry and mix it up really well. Now that the batter is done, we'll just divide it up into a lined cupcake tin. Then go ahead and just smooth out the top slightly with your fingers. Now we'll bake them at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until the tops are nicely browned and they no longer seem doughy. And if they're browning too quickly, you can go ahead and cover them with foil. So while the cupcakes cool, we'll go ahead and make the keto cream cheese frosting, which is really easy. All we're gonna do is combine some room temperature butter with 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we'll beat this until it's well incorporated. Then we'll slowly beat in the keto powdered sweetener, scraping the bowl as needed. And I like to use a monk fruit allulose blend, but you can use really whatever keto powdered sweetener you prefer. Now we'll add a teaspoon of pure vanilla, and you can also add just a little bit of non-dairy milk or cream if the frosting is a little bit too thick. Mine's kind of thick, so I'm just gonna add about a teaspoon or 2. And then if your frosting is too sweet, you can add just a pinch of sea salt to cut through the sweetness. Now I don't have a fancy pastry bag or anything, but what I like to do is I snip a corner of a Ziploc baggie and then just put a piping tip in the end, and then we'll just scoop out the frosting and push it all down towards the piping tip and frost the cupcakes. Then when you frost your cupcakes, just hold the bag straight up and down, start from the middle and work your way out. And then once you've gone all the way around the cupcake, you can either stop there or you can continue going to make it nice and tall. Not only are these pumpkin cupcakes delicious, but they're gorgeous, and they can be made even prettier by sprinkling some cinnamon or some pumpkin pie spice on the top. And then if you want to get real fancy, you can break some cinnamon sticks in half and just kind of stick into each cupcake. And these will be the star of the show. I cannot wait for you guys to try these, and please let me know what you think in the comments below.